Hey guys, in this video we're gonna check all these interesting products from AliExpress and we're gonna clean this small cute car. All the links and chapters are in the description, so check them out. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and ask any question in the comments. This is our old school car, Suzuki Wagon R, I believe, in a limited trim, and this car never received the treatment like we will give it today. And as you can see, it is very beat up. And let me show you some stuff that we're gonna use today. First of all, it's Yofidra pressure washer, the mobile pressure washer. We already had like 2 videos about it, pretty nice stuff. Of course not the replacement of the big one, but still not bad. New foam sprayer, this time 2 liters instead of 1.5, so I'm very excited to test it out. And this time we have 2 buckets or like 2 bottles of 20 liters, so like 40 liters total. And let's start. As the last time, I'm gonna show you only one wheel. Usually I start with wheel cleaner, and now you will see it immediately gonna turn purple because like brake dust and a lot of other stuff. But this time I decided to add a little bit of like acidic cleaner. And here the test of our first product, the brush with very hard bristles for like rubber, tires and so on. And in the end I like it. It's not the best one. I liked how it clean and how it, the bristles are very nice, but the minus part is that it can drown in a bucket of water, so you need to catch it like from the bottom of the bucket. It's pretty inconvenient. Our Yofidra pressure washer in use this time. I'm using 25-degree nozzle and I believe medium or high setting for the wheels. Second product is new updated foam sprayer from AliExpress, 2 liters instead of 1.5, fully charged. I have pre-wash build hammer in it and let's check it out. In my opinion, it's really quieter than the previous version. The spray pattern is around the same, maybe a little wider, and we need to remember that the build hammer pre-wash is not like extremely foamy, so for me it is a very good result. And it is much better than using Yofidra foam cannon, because this one I have 2 liters of the product, well, of course mixed up, around like 5% or 6% panel impact ratio for the build hammer, and I use much less product compared to Yofidra foam cannon. So that's why I really like this one much better. And in updated version, maybe you will see it now, it has trigger lock, and it is fantastic because if you spray the full car like I'm doing now, you don't need to hold the button all the time. Oh yeah, look, boom, lock the trigger and easy peasy. And after covering the full car, I still have more than half a liter of the product. So fantastic results. And now let's wash it off with our Yofidra pressure washer, 25-degree nozzle, high settings, and as usual I have a problem washing it off. I don't know why, but every time build hammer is like sticking to the surface of the car and trying to like, I don't know, actually every time build hammer is much more difficult to wash off compared to like any other pH neutral soaps. After washing off our pre-wash, the first 20 liters were gone. Here we don't use any new products, so again the updated foam sprayer and the old foam sprayer. About new foam sprayer, I already told you that I really liked it, it's a very good product for the very good price. And the old foam cannon foam sprayer, electric one that you don't need to pump, you can find the link in the description. What I'm doing now is I'm putting a little bit of acidic pre-wash on the bottom of the car, where usually all the dirtiest places are, and putting on all the car just pH neutral, sleek foam so I can do the contact wash. The next product is this funny looking washing glove. I don't know what to say here, I like it. It's a pretty nice glove, it's pretty convenient and pretty easy to use. The one thing that the fitting is a little strange because it is for both, for left-handed and for right-handed people. So the fitting is like a little strange, but overall I think the product is very nice because it is cheap. You can go in some, as you can see here, some nooks and crannies like for like small or like very difficult to reach places. So yeah, highly recommend. Now let's wash it off. Okay, wait. I need... Where's my water? Where's my water? Okay, finally, yes, let's wash it off. And as you can see, pH neutral soap washing off much easier. Here is the test of perforated clay towel, and try to listen. It is very, very rough, like a sandpaper. Let's try to use our perforated clay towel. I heard that they're much better compared to a regular clay because they don't scratch the surface so much, not like scratch, marring, and you don't necessarily need to polish after that. Here I'm using Monster Rush Very Berry product, basically iron remover, and spray a little bit on the surface and spray a little bit on our clay meat or like a perforated clay towel. I'll remove the music here, so try to listen. I'm adding pH neutral soap just for lubrication. I'll try to show you the difference in sound on the area where I already cleaned and the new area. As you can hear, it is much quieter even closer to the camera. Overall, I like this towel because you can fold it in 4 and use every side and then just clean it. So yeah, great product also, so recommend. And the second bottle is gone, so 40 liters done. But we cleaned the car thoroughly, so 40 liters not so bad. Now let's check before and after. Next will be plastic restorer, and because this car is very old and always were exposed to the sun, it is an ideal candidate to test this plastic restorer. It is like gel cream, more like gel type, not a cream, and let's apply it on this front part because as you can see it's completely white grayish and no sign of previous glory. I was applying very generously because, come on, it's a pretty cheap product, why you need to like save it. But let's wait for the result, because now it looks fantastic, right? It looks wet, it looks very nice, but we need to wait for 2 or 3 days at least, ideally a month. And the end result looks something like these. So this is our test mark behind the arm of the wiper because my fingers are too fat to go there, but it will be our test like mark, so we will see the difference. As you can see now, it looks pretty good, right? It's not wet, but it looks wet, it looks much darker, and I think the second layer will be very nice. and here is literally the next day. Everything is the same. So guys, don't buy it, bad product. And guys, in the end, thank you for being with me. I still had 94% of battery, but it dropped to 86 while using it. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel, like, comment, ask me any questions. See ya!